Okay, I'm going to do a very quick video here on removing these cars from this mainsail track. This is a Z-spar or a Z-spar mast and track. You can see I moved a small section of track, and these cars have ball bearings in them that are not captive. That is, that they'll fall out as soon as they are taken off the track. The solution to that problem is I had these 3D prints done up, and they are just a reproduction of the track. And so as we slip the cars up off of the track, we'll slip them right onto this so that the ball bearings stay in place, and each end has a cap, so this will stay on the car, and a screw, place for a screw. These will stay on the car when we transport the sail down to the loft to replace our sail. So secure.